Hello everyone, let me take this opportunity to welcome you back to this class. So in the last class we had started the JavaScript and we had created a folder here with three files, that is the CSS, the HTML and also the Java. So with me I'm going to edit them so that we can see how we can run our Java, or maybe methods of outputting the Java. So we can right click and edit it with the Notepad++ like that. So here these are three folders that we created the other day. These we can try to relaunch them. We see what was happening, so we can minimize them like that. We can open our browser here, which is the Chrome, and then I can pick any. I can pick this, maybe that account. I'm not restoring anything, so I can just have the two divided on my window here, so like that. So remember, this is what we did on that day. Sorry, this is what we had written. So to view that, I can just right click there, then come to inspect here, come to inspect like that, and then I can click on console. This so we had this. So so today we are going to see on ways that we can display. So we can maybe type for the first one here. We can have it this like that, and then we can use, let's try use the first way, that is the document rotate. Maybe document, maybe document. So in this we are going to have the document dot write, and then we can try to reload. We see if this one can affect the first page here, which is the HTML. So we have the document, maybe dot document dot maybe write, and let us make sure we are adding two values. Maybe for instance we may have the two values added there, that is 4 maybe added to 9 to 5 like that. Sorry, it should, remember this one is a function by itself, so it should be inside. Maybe we can have 4 added to 5 like that, and then we can save. So you can see there is nothing that has happened. So to see this, because we are not using the console, to see this we can just go to our page here and then try to reload it like that. And here you can see this is the one that we had the other day, and here you can see we have 9 here. We know that if you take maybe this form, you add it to 9, you get this to 4, you get that. We can copy this again like this, we copy it, and then we can paste it many times, we see, and then we can try to edit this like that, and then we can click enter again, paste like that, and then here maybe we can try to edit this. We have maybe, or just we have the same 5, as the same 5, but now here we have a different maybe we can have the multiplication here, maybe we can have the division, and maybe we can have the last one, which is the subtraction. So we can have the subtraction here also like this, and then we can save it, and then we can reload our browser there. This is a warning, and here you can see we have the first one, which is 9, then we have 20, then we have 1.5, and then we have this 5. To see them, maybe we can give the what to see them. Maybe we can give the comments like that, and then the comments maybe again here like that, and then we can save, then we can reload here. So you can see the first one is 9, so let us give this comment here like that, and then here, and then we can reload. So we can load here, and here still gives us 9. Let's see the reason why. So load this here, and there they are, both of them like that. So that's one way that we can be able to display that using that. Remember also we can use a button whereby we can display these using maybe something to do with the button, maybe for example. And to do this we can have it maybe where we can have it maybe inside this home, and then inside this home I want us we write a button, maybe for instance here inside this body, inside here this body we can have it here maybe all the way anywhere, or we can have it there. And then here I want us maybe we write something, maybe we can have a button like this, we can have this one be a button like that, and then we can give it an attribute, and this attribute we can say that maybe type is equals to here we can say this is okay, you can say this is button also, and then we can also give additional attributes. We say on click, so on click we can say this will be given by on click. We want it to do something, we say maybe we give it the document, maybe document dot write, maybe document dot write, document maybe dot write, and then we can give whatever we want here. Maybe we can say maybe 7 added to 8 like that. And then here now we can be able to pass what we want. Maybe after that maybe we can give, or maybe you can say maybe we can write anything you think, maybe fix or hard, fix them or add, just like that. And then we can terminate this tag, maybe the button, you can have the / like that. Then here we have the button like that, so we have the button like that, terminated like that. So remember here, that is how you can do such a thing. Then we can save it, and then we can try to reload it here like that. So here you can see there is a button that has come here in our browser here. So if I click on it, you can see here I have the answer as what 15. Remember, if you take 7 added to 8, this one will give you what? This one will give you a 15. That's also another way that you can do that. And remember, if you want to reload it using or maybe after we click the browser or we click the reload button, maybe we can have it the same here, maybe like that. And then here we can put it to be something like, maybe we want it to alert us immediately we get, so we can go to this GSS or the JS, and then here so we have this. But now instead of this, let me give a comment here, give just a comment like that. And also this comment here. So instead of that, there is this window alert that we have added here, which when we reload like that, it tells us don't scare me. This is what we have added here. So now we want it to give us a value instead of it giving us this string. So to do that, we can just come here and then alter this a bit, and then maybe we can give the value here to be any. Maybe we can see sorry, you cannot see, like that. And then we can clean up this, and then maybe, for example, here we can add this. We had 7 added to maybe even 9. This one is 16, and then we can try to save and then see what we wrote. So you can see now when we wrote, we get exactly the value, that is the 2 numbers added, which is 16. And remember also, there is no need, let us try to do away with this window. We leave only alert and see what happens, and then we can save also, and then we can try to load. So you can see still it gives us the it gives us the value, the value. That's another way that we can use. And also remember, you can use the ID, you can create it and use the ID. So remember also you can use it and give the ID, so like that. And then maybe let us use the print function. We use the print function, we see what happens. So with the print function also, I think let's go to the home or to the HTML file here. We can just pick this button here, maybe I can copy it, control copy, like that. Let me widen it so that you can see. Let us add a break there so that we can differentiate. So you can put the break here. Break is an empty tag, we don't need to cross it. So we have the BL like that, and then we can control V, paste that. And here what we are just going to edit, we don't need to have all this kind of the buttons. So what I need is just to give a function here, and this function I can just say this is what is going to be. So I'm going to use the window to allow the user to print everything that is there. Maybe window dot print function, like that. And then here I can say what it wants to print. Maybe, for example, I can just indicate there, maybe just print. I just say maybe print this, print like that. I can just say print like that, and then I can save it, and then I can minimize it like that, and then I can reload here like this, like that. And here you can see I have 2 functions that we can work out. Remember, the first one was that if I click on that print, so you can see here my page reloads, which I can be able to start printing. So if I maximize, so you can see here the page is already there, which I can be able to start to print, So that is what I means by maybe printing having the print function within my code that is in the HTML. Remember the Java, you work with hand in hand with the CSS. Remember, like here, maybe for example here, what have I used that we can maybe we can have a head, so we can have a head so that you can be able to use maybe any kind of print. So I can maximize this a bit. Let me just maximize it a bit like that. And then here maybe I can add a break here, and let me just add a break there like that. So I had a break like that. And then here maybe I can have the two tags here again. I can have a tag here, like maybe for example what I need, maybe I can have maybe h3 that is header 3 like that. And then I can say maybe a ID application, maybe I can say this is ID, maybe application. We want to display using the ID application like that. Maybe ID application, and then we can close this. We can close that tag like that, and then we have this like that. And then here we can have the h3 like that. And then here I can maybe have to display it maybe on a paragraph, and then I can say maybe here I can put this on to be, maybe for example I can have this is a P. I can have this being P like that. And then inside this I can say that maybe this, in this paragraph we can say in maybe in this paragraph, maybe paragraph in this paragraph it will be, maybe it will be maybe ID application like that, maybe ID application like that, So remember, now I can be able to close this my tag here, and then I can have the forward slash like that, and then I can have the P like that. And then here maybe I can give the ID. Maybe I say that this in this I can have this being P like that, and then I can say the ID like that. Let me just type. So remember, you can do it like this, and then if you try to display this, let's see what happens. For you to be able to display, you can save it like this, and then you can try to reload your page here. And here you can see, but here there is nothing that has been indicated here. So let us see how we can do it so that you can be able to include this. So to be able to include that, we need maybe to have another tag here, which is going to be maybe we can have the script. So remember, you can also have the JavaScript included as a script here like that. We can copy it, control copy like that, and then we can have it here below. Remember, we must close it, and then we can preceded here by maybe a forward slash like that, and then we can reload like this. And then let us try to reload here like that. And here you can see now we have the value being 13 like that. So meaning that if you add this through, maybe you can change it to see how effective it is, like this. You can maybe put it to be something like 80 like that, and then you can save it. and then you can reload it like that. And here you can see we have 85, meaning that you can also have the JavaScript included in your structure like this, but it must be inside the script element. And that's bring us to the end of this class. I was your trainer Maurice Monene. If you found this video of importance to you, please consider subscribing, like, and share so that it can reach more students. Thank you, and see you in the next class where we shall be discussing the variables. Thank you.